When I came to Chase International, I came from another brokerage that was more of a franchise feel. So walking in the door at Chase was immediately family. When I joined Chase International, it was apparent immediately how much technology, training, and education this company had to offer me. In the past, when I was with another brokerage, unfortunately, it was feast or famine. When you joined Chase, it turned into an adventure for everyone. My broker at the time had a vested interest in me succeeding with not only my clientele, but also Chase technology, Chase leadership, Chase training, all of the above. Being part of the Chase leadership team has definitely showed me what I'm able to do as not only a managing broker, but a mentor, as well as a trainer, as well as to heighten my own abilities within our group. Everything that our leadership group stands for is exactly what we pass down to our agents, and it's reflected in day-to-day business every single day. I am Jenny with Chase International, and I look forward to serving you.